Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 3. Question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can you say that we can add integers in any orders? Let us find out. Now, solution. Here team A scored team A scored minus 40, 10, 0, right? Therefore, total score of team A, total score of team A will add all the integers, that is minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. That is, we are getting minus 40 plus 10 and that is equal to minus 30, right? Now team B scored team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. Total score of team B, total score of team B is equal to 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. That is, we are getting 10 plus it is minus 40, that is equal to minus 30. Here you see in both the cases the score is minus 30. Which team scored more? That means both the team have same score, right? Second question is, can you say that we can add integers in any order? The answer is yes. We can add integers. We can add integers in any order due to commutative property, commutative property, right? Again we are repeating, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0. Therefore, total score of team A is minus 30 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. Total score of team B is minus 30. Therefore, both the team have same score. The question is, can you say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order due to commutative property. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.